students, how are you? I hope all you are fine and study well. Now in this video we start our lesson number 13, Vinoba Bhave. Now have you ever heard about भूदान आंदोलन? क्या आपने कभी भूदान आंदोलन के बारे में सुना है? एंड डू यू नो हु स्टार्टेड इट? क्या आपको मालूम है कि ये किसने स्टार्ट किया है? सो दीज आर द इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चन ऑफ दैट लेसन. ये दोनों इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चन है इस लेसन के, जिससे हमें ये आंसर मिले कि हम अब आगे कौन सा लेसन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. एंड द लेसन इज अबाउट टू whom, और ये लेसन जो है वो किसके बारे में है. सो ये जो आंदोलन था भूदान आंदोलन, भूदान मीन्स होता है भूदान, भू प्लस धान, दान. भू मतलब होता है भूमि, जमीन, और दान मतलब होता है किसी को देना. तो अपनी जमीन किसी को देना वो कहलाता है भूदान. और आंदोलन क्या होता है? जब हम किसी चीज़ को के लिए कोई नई चीज़ के लिए प्रयास करते हैं, तब हम उसके लिए एक रेवोल्यूशन लाते हैं, एक क्रांति होती है, तो वो आंदोलन था. तो ये आंदोलन स्टार्ट किया था विनोबा भावे ने. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट विनोबा भावे. Now here students, you see the picture of that man Vinoba Bhave, and you see his simplicity in his picture. Now Vinoba Bhave was born on 11 September 1895 at Gagoda, a small village in Kolaba in Mumbai. His mother called him Vinaya. Vinaya's early education took place in the village. He went to Vadodara at the age of 9 for further studies. Later, he went to Varanasi to study Sanskrit. He came in contact with Mahatma Gandhi and lived with him at Sabarmati Ashram. Vinoba, as he was called by Mahatma Gandhi, found the purpose of his life there. He took part in Jhanda Satyagraha movement and went to jail at Nagpur. The poverty and deprivation suffered by Indian small farmers and landless laborers moved him the most. He decided to place himself at their service. He truly understood that most of the land was owned by few people. They called themselves landlords. This was not the justice of the Almighty. It was man's own doing, and only man suffered from it. If landlords could donate some of their land to the landless, all would be happy, he thought. Vinoba traveled a lot and met people of all sections of the society. He explained to them the logic behind his standpoint. Many agreed, many disagreed, but centrally persuasion and motivation worked wonders. Slowly Bhudan Yojana took the shape of Bhudan Andolan. The small flicker of a lamp lit up the life of thousands. He made landlords donate their land to landless. Vinoba Bhave started this movement from a small village named Pochampalli in the Telangana region of Andhra Pradesh. He worked day and night to motivate landlords to donate their land to the landless. It was a national awakening. Vinoba called it Sarvodaya. The movement was successful in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. The equitable distribution of land was to bring prosperity to the nation along with the feeling of oneness. Vinoba lived in the ashram on the bank of Pavnar river in Maharashtra. He served the old and lonely in the old age home at the ashram. He himself helped in feeding and nursing them, and also in arranging their beds. He lived like an ascetic of olden days. He breathed his last on 14th November 1982. On the occasion of the Republic Day in 1983, he was awarded Bharat Ratna for serving nation selflessly. So students, here this one is the lesson of Vinoba Bhave, and we got many inspiration from this lesson. So all of you have to read it and try to understood it.